Hi, this video I'll be demoing how the command line interface works, what you can do with it, and so on. Let's start it. We're welcomed with a basic welcome text, and then we see our prompt. We can do this. If you do Control-C, it does the same thing. And when we type something that it doesn't recognize, it shows the help menu. And as it says, we can do help all to view all the help menu of all the commands. We can look at one specifically, get task output, for example, and so on. Other stuff we can do is we can look at our agents. And as you can see, it has tab control. If I minimize this a bit, it will also show us all the agents we have. We can create a new agent with a agent name, a port, an IP address, and a port. These are the addresses the agent is going to connect back to. So that's us. It compiles based on the arguments we gave it to, and then it creates the agent over here, and it gives us a new agent UUID. So now we can use that to switch to that agent, and as you can see, it changed to that, it's showing us the UUID here. We can list the tasks that the agent has. It currently has no tasks, so we can just create, we can issue a new task with CMD. So that could be dir, and we view it, it has it. Other stuff we can do is get task output. It doesn't have anything, the agent is not running yet. I think that's better for the agent video. Let's see what else we have. We can have, instead of running a CMD command, we can use a C implementation with Win32 API of the who am I. So this is not the same. This uses the CMD to run dir. You can also do CMD who am I. So this uses CMD to run who am I. This uses the Win32 API. So that's kind of stealthier, and it can it's usually the recommended way of doing things as far as I'm aware. Yep, took a sip for my coffee. Now what else? We can reload the command line if we haven't made any changes to the code. We can just quickly reload that. I want to expand that to support other stuff. Currently it's now, if there's any changes in the CLI.py, it only works in CLI for CLI.py. We can send a shutdown signal to, okay, we can't do that. Yeah, apparently we can't do that. I must have made an error with, yeah, I've been refactoring the code to use classes instead of standard variables, so I must have forgot to change that. But that command will show you that command will send a shutdown signal to the agent. So if you want to exit, if you don't want to control the program anymore, we don't leave any artifacts on the target machine, which will make us detected, and it's generally a bad practice, and you can see why, of course. We can remove agents if you list them, so we can just remove, oh, that's not how you remove, yeah. We can remove the agents, that's this. Damn you. Shit. Okay, I fixed another bug. So now we can actually remove an agent doesn't error. So let's just remove this thing, the last one we created. Yeah. What? Remove agents, yes. Okay, tab completion is not working in my favor right now. Thank you. Now we have removed that. As you can see, it's not showing up there anymore. I think that's all I wanted to show. Pretty much. Yeah, we can of course exit.